If you are like most people, unexpected vehicle repairs can really drain your bank account. Vehicle repair costs have increased 20% this year. That is a whopping $1,860 for an average repair. Many SUVs and trucks have increased to over $2,000 per repair. Are you prepared to cover repair costs like that? Or would you prefer trusted and dependable coverage to keep your vehicle running smoothly? Introducing Buyer's Choice, the only choice you need to protect you from those unwelcome surprises on the road. With Buyer's Choice, you can choose from standard powertrain protection to cover all the crucial parts of your engine, or Comprehensive Powertrain Plus, which includes air conditioning, electrical, and other vital systems, providing you protection against any major engine failure. But that's not all. We offer optional coverage packages like maintenance and technology systems, because we know your vehicle deserves the very best. Every Buyer's Choice contract includes 24/7 roadside assistance to keep you safe in case of a breakdown, and rental car coverage to keep you on the move while your vehicle is being serviced. With Buyer's Choice, we have expanded eligibility to vehicles with up to 175,000 miles and no model year restrictions. Our flexible coverage terms start at 12 months up to 15,000 miles and increase to 60 months up to 100,000 miles. All with deductible options ranging from $0 up to $500. There is even a deductible discount for customers having repairs made at the selling dealership. With Buyer's Choice, you'll never have to worry about unexpected repair costs or being stranded on the side of the road again. We've got you covered at over 86,000 service centers nationwide. You should trust your vehicle to the same company that other drivers just like yourself have trusted more than 2 million times over the last 35 years. Join the royal family today and experience the peace of mind you deserve on every journey. Choose to protect your vehicle today, and you won't be sorry tomorrow. You have a world full of options, but you only need one choice: Buyer's Choice. To learn more, visit buyerschoicevsc.com.